What's up, Bertopia? Berkel here with Crackedman and D-Tap camping in a beautiful national forest. Come see what we get into.
Wow. This is what's gonna listen. 72 hours of this shit.
Off in the corner is what he said.
72 hours of this shit.
We die out here if it ain't for me.
Pretty much.
To be fair.
Well, to be fair, he can't even shoot the damn thing anyway.
To be fair, here's the real layout of the situation, okay? That is our food prep. He is the hunter. I am the builder.
Wait till you see the alienistic shit we have.
He's the...
We have real aliens with us.
Comic relief.
I'm comic relief.
My emotional
I'm okay with being comic relief.
He's our emotional support alien.
I'm okay with being comical relief.
No, you are our emotional support alien.
You are an emotional support.
You are our service animal.
We gotta give thanks where thanks is due.
Yeah.
Well, what'd you think this was gonna be? Cakewalk?
I expected help from the frickin' alien pet, but...
You gotta ask. How am I supposed to know what you need help with if you're not asking?
A support pet.
Aren't you supposed to use your words? Yeah, we're gonna do the whole thing. This is why I kind of liked how we have it set up the way we're doing it. We are good. I'm trying to find, where the fuck did I put that? Okay, so that's good. I'm not hooking any of this up because I don't care to hook any of that up yet. I'm trying to find where I put the light so that way it's on there before it gets dark. Burke, if you guys lose D-Tap, I won't be upset. Okay. As long as you don't lose me, right?
In 1987 says, what's the pecking order of feeding the bears if shooting them don't work?
Well, if shooting them don't work, that shouldn't be a problem. But
oh, so Mrs.
Berkel first.
So
we run really fast. He doesn't have to worry about tripping me because I'm fatter, so he'll outrun me anyway.
All right, what's chat? Believe it or not, I know what I'm doing. I think you can use this.
Potty over here.
Because this is individual, then you take the individual.
No, that's the trail.
Trail?
That's the ice stage.
Oh, hopefully that's big enough. I'm gonna hold this. Let's see if I can even get this thing to go. Here, let me.
That's some little sticks right here.
Only took a little bit.
Oh, you put it down with the... No! You blow.
Oh. Hold on. No.
Now you did it.
No, I did it. I thought it was a dry leaf. I have my oh yeah. Yeah, we need, that's right. That's what we need to do.
In 1987,
We're doing it.
I would have had this fire going already.
Oh, I'm about to, I forgot they said shave some of this off.
Oh, my. Oh.
Sammy says about time to call in the Boy Scouts.
There we go. You're blowing on that backwards, though.
Oh.
Boom.
1987 says, well, if this was the game of Survivor, they would lose.
Why? It's burning. Oh,
Farmer
you kinda
Jamie
are pointing
says
at the ground
that's
now.
what she said.
I don't know if they can see it, Berkel.
Hmm.
I don't think they can see
Yeah,
it.
it's wide angle.
Yeah, but is it tall angle? Because you're pointing
Yeah.
at the floor.
No, it's literally pointing down my arm.
I guess it is working.
I mean, could we move it up a tiny bit? Yeah. There's definitely something moving in these woods. The fuck is it? I can kind of see something in there. And it's,
At 789 says, this pond looks amazing.
it's kind of a lake. It's called Jerry Lake.
20, 130 says. What's for dinner tonight?
Crackedman? Oh, I hear other people.
The Patriot 789 says, catch it with your bare hands.
There's something in there. How you doing, though, the Patriot? It's actually called Jerry Lake, but, because it goes back. But anyways, I think we're going to have some bass fishing awesomeness out here. No, there's something moving, but it stopped. Thank you for watching this Berktopian adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more adventures.